Imagine a life where money is no longer a concern, where you are financially free and cash flow is endless. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? This is not a far-fetched dream, but a reality that many have achieved through the power of financial freedom. This concept, championed by Robert Kiyosaki, is about shifting your perspective on wealth and income. It's about creating multiple streams of income that work for you, not the other way around. It's about being smart with your money and investing in assets that generate wealth over time. It's about empowering yourself to take control of your financial destiny. So, are you ready to embark on this journey towards financial freedom and endless cash flow? Stay tuned as we delve into the 8 powerful assets that can pave your way to this dream life. First on our list is starting a profitable business. The idea of being your own boss, making your own decisions, and reaping the rewards of your hard work is a dream for many. Not to mention, owning a business can open doors to unlimited earning potential. That's the beauty of it. There's no ceiling to what you can earn. The profits are not split among various parties, but they directly line your pockets. Now, the thrill of starting a business comes with the freedom to innovate and create. You have the liberty to shape your business model, create products or services you believe in, and steer your business in the direction that aligns with your vision. It's like painting on a blank canvas, and the picture that emerges is the representation of your dreams and aspirations. But it's not just about the money and the freedom. A profitable business can become a valuable asset, contributing to your wealth and setting the stage for long-term financial security. Think about it. A well-established business can be sold or passed on to the next generation, continually generating profits and providing financial stability. And let's not forget, starting a business doesn't mean you have to do it all alone. You can leverage the skills and expertise of others, delegate tasks, and focus on strategic decisions. This way, you can ensure that your business operations run smoothly, while you concentrate on growth and expansion strategies. In a nutshell, starting a profitable business is like planting a seed. With the right care and nurturing, it can grow into a towering tree, bearing fruits season after season. A profitable business is a stepping stone towards financial freedom. Next, we dive into the world of real estate. Imagine owning a property, a piece of land, a condominium, or a house. It's not just about having a place to call home, it's about having an investment that appreciates over time. Unlike other assets, real estate is a tangible asset. You can see it, touch it, and live in it. Now let's talk about passive income. It's the kind of income that keeps flowing into your bank account, whether you're sleeping, on vacation, or just enjoying a cup of coffee. When you invest in rental properties, you're essentially setting up a stream of passive income. Tenants pay rent month after month, and this regular income can contribute significantly to your financial stability. Investing in real estate isn't just about buying and selling properties, it's about understanding the market, identifying opportunities, and making smart decisions. It's about buying low, selling high, and maximizing rental income. It's about leveraging your investment to generate wealth and achieve financial freedom. However, like all investments, real estate comes with its own set of risks. It's crucial to do your homework, understand the market dynamics, and make informed decisions. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a strategic move towards building long-term wealth. Remember, it's not just about owning property, it's about creating a steady source of income, a safety net that keeps you financially stable. Real estate, a tangible asset that can generate a steady flow of income. Ever thought about owning a piece of a company? That's what paper assets are all about. Paper assets include stocks, bonds, and other financial instruments that represent a claim on some type of income or equity. These assets are called paper because they exist mostly as digital or paper certificates. Now let's dive into the world of stocks. When you buy a stock, you're buying a tiny slice of ownership in a company. Your returns come from dividends, which are a portion of the company's profits distributed to shareholders, and from selling the stock at a higher price than you bought it. On the other hand, bonds are a bit different. When you buy a bond, you're essentially lending money to an entity, like a corporation or government. In return, they agree to pay you back the full amount, plus interest at a future date. But remember, while the potential returns can be high, so are the risks. The value of stocks and bonds can fluctuate significantly based on market conditions, and there's always a chance you could lose your initial investment. So it's crucial to do your homework, understand what you're investing in, and consider seeking advice from financial professionals. Paper assets, a game of patience with potentially high rewards. Gold, silver, and oil, the timeless assets. Commodities, often overlooked yet always present, have been a cornerstone of wealth generation for centuries. These tangible goods traded on a global scale offer a unique opportunity for financial growth and protection. Why, you may ask? Well, commodities often act as a hedge against inflation. When the cost of living goes up, so too does the price of these fundamental goods. This means, as an investor in commodities, your assets can grow in value alongside inflation, maintaining your purchasing power and protecting your wealth. Imagine it like this: you're storing your wealth in a vault that adjusts its value according to the world's economy. Pretty smart, right? From the gold bars of the wealthy to the oil wells of the industrious, commodities have proven their worth time and time again. Commodities aren't just about gold, silver, and oil, though. They also include agricultural products like wheat and corn, and other raw materials like timber. Diversifying your portfolio with commodities can provide a significant safety net in times of economic uncertainty. So, let's not forget about commodities, those gold bars, silver coins, and oil barrels. They're not just shiny objects or fuel for our cars. They're the classic assets that withstand the test of time. Time is money, and managing it well is an asset in itself. This phrase is more than just a catchy saying. It's a fundamental truth that encapsulates the essence of time management. Imagine time as a river, flowing constantly. You are in a boat, and the way you steer that boat determines your journey and ultimately, your destination. Now think of that destination as your financial independence. To reach there, you need to navigate the river of time effectively. This is where time management comes into play. It's about prioritizing tasks, setting goals, and making the best use of your resources, the most important of which is time. Take the example of an entrepreneur. Their success doesn't just rely on a great idea or a strong team, it's also about how they manage their time. They prioritize high-impact tasks, delegate effectively, and create a balance between work and leisure. Just like how a profitable business or a wise investment can generate returns, effective time management can yield rich dividends in terms of productivity, stress management, and ultimately, financial success. Remember, every tick of the clock is a chance to make a change, a moment to move closer to your financial goals. So steer your boat wisely and make every second count. Time management, the unsung hero of financial success. What good is wealth without health? A question that brings us to our sixth asset, health. You see, financial freedom isn't just about accumulating wealth, it's about being able to enjoy that wealth. And without good health, that enjoyment becomes a distant dream. Maintaining good health is a crucial part of your journey towards financial freedom. It's an investment in yourself, your most valuable asset. A sound mind and a sound body not only ensures you can fully enjoy the fruits of your labor, but also enables you to make better decisions, increases your productivity, and reduces healthcare costs. Think about it. How can you focus on your financial goals when you're constantly worried about your health, or worse, spending a fortune on medical bills? That's why taking care of your health is as important, if not more, as investing in stocks or real estate. So, invest in your health. Adopt a balanced diet, exercise regularly, get enough sleep, and take regular breaks to rejuvenate your mind and body. Remember, your health is your real wealth. And the healthier you are, the more energy and focus you have to pursue your financial goals. Health, the greatest wealth of all. In the digital age, online assets are your secret weapon. They are the unseen forces that can catapult you towards financial freedom and endless cash flow. They're versatile, accessible, and have the potential to reach a global audience, all from the comfort of your home. Let's delve into the world of online assets. At the heart of it, they encompass digital properties like blogs, websites, and digital products or services. Starting with blogs, they are more than just online journals. They're platforms where you share your knowledge, experiences, and insights. With excellent content and strategic monetization through ads, sponsored posts, or affiliate marketing, blogs can generate a steady stream of income. Next, we have websites. Whether it's an e-commerce store, a portfolio showcasing your work, or a site offering specialized services, websites are digital storefronts open 24/7. They are your business's home on the internet, and with the right strategies, they can be lucrative assets. And let's not forget about digital products. Ebooks, online courses, software, graphics, music. The possibilities are endless. The beauty of digital products is that they're created once but can be sold an infinite number of times, creating a passive income stream. But remember, like any asset, online assets need time, effort, and smart strategies to grow and yield returns. They are not get-rich-quick schemes, but with consistency and dedication, they can become powerful tools for financial independence. Online assets, your gateway to global opportunities. Last but not least, let's talk about the power of networking and personal branding. This isn't just about collecting business cards or having a well-designed logo. It's about building meaningful relationships and presenting yourself to the world in a way that aligns with your values and goals. Imagine your network as a web, where each connection represents a potential opportunity. The more connections, the stronger your web becomes, and the more opportunities you can seize. It's not just about who you know, but also who knows you. So cultivate these connections, nurture them. You never know when a casual conversation could turn into a life-changing opportunity. Now let's touch on personal branding. It's your unique promise of value. It's what you stand for, what you offer, and what sets you apart from the crowd. Think of it as your professional reputation. It's what people will remember about you when you're not in the room. A strong personal brand is like a lighthouse in the sea of sameness, guiding opportunities your way. And remember, your brand is not just what you say about yourself, but what others say about you. So, strive to create a brand that is authentic, consistent, and memorable. In essence, your network is your net worth, and your personal brand is your ticket to opportunities. So invest time in building both. They are the bridges that connect you to opportunities, and the magnets that attract success your way. Networking and personal branding, your personal billboard to the world. So, there you have it. The 8 powerful assets that can lead you to financial freedom. We've journeyed through the importance of starting a profitable business, delved into the benefits of investing in real estate, and explored the value of paper assets like stocks and bonds. We've also shed light on the significance of commodities such as gold and silver. We've highlighted the essence of time management in your financial journey, and underscored the relevance of health as a valuable asset. We've navigated the world of online assets and emphasized the power of networking and personal branding. These assets, when applied wisely, can set the stage for endless cash flow and complete financial freedom. So, which asset piqued your interest the most? Is it the allure of a profitable business or the promise of real estate? Or perhaps it's the potential of online assets or the influence of a strong network and personal brand. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights into financial freedom. Let us know in the comments which asset you found the most intriguing. Remember, your path to financial freedom begins today.